So you've been charged. You have to attend court on a particular date. That date that's on your paperwork is called your first appearance. It's not a trial. There's been no finding of guilt or innocence on that date. You appear in court. What you can expect is to, number one, to have the justice of the peace verify your identity by asking you your name and date of birth. Number two, the justice of the peace will also ask you if you understand what you've been charged with. Depending on the justice of the peace and how you respond to that question, the clerk of the court will stand and read the charges to you. It usually sounds something like, John Doe, you stand charged on information number that on this day in the municipality of, you committed the offense of, contrary to this section of the criminal code. That's it. The charge is read to you. There's no need to enter a plea at this point in time. It's simply an informational process. You'll be asked, third thing, if you want your proceedings in English or French. In Ontario, we have two official languages, English and French. You'll be asked how you want your proceedings. If you need an interpreter, that is the time to ask for it. Fourth thing you'll be asked is if you identify as an Indigenous person in Canada. You answer that question. Number five, are you going to hire a lawyer? If you say yes or if you say no, it doesn't matter at that point, but your matter will be adjourned, which means put to another date for you to take whatever steps you need to take, whether you proceed with a lawyer or you decide that you want to represent yourself or represent yourself with the assistance of duty counsel. A duty counsel in Canada is equivalent to a public defender in the US. This is what happens on your first appearance in court, and you appear before Justice of the Peace. I hope this helps.